All right, welcome back to Forging the Fires podcast. I'm your host, Fireman Rob. Today, I have an amazing guest, Sally. Sally is so excited to be on here. You should see her smiling. It's just an extreme excitement surrounding her. I want you to talk to me more about what just happened, because this is an amazing event here in Fort Worth. What just happened for you at the rodeo, at the World Championships? What's going on?
We just competed to have a chance to rope at AT&T, and we didn't have that good of a week, but I'm just thankful we even have the opportunity as team ropers to rope for the money we're roping for this week.
It's unbelievable. I mean, when you think about like what it takes to get to that top level. Now how old are you?
I'm 23.
Jeez. I mean, come on. Did you think, like, how did this start out in your life? How did it start out to be like, you know what? I want to go out there and be a roper.
Well, my sister started roping before me, and she needed a partner. And
so it's her fault.
Yeah. So basically, my parents were like, we can make sure y'all practice enough, and that her partner was practicing. So kind of got into it that way. But then it was like shortly after I started, this came about, and I was like, okay, there's a good chance for girl healers and like women team ropers to win.
Yeah,
60,000, or like as a team, 120,000, because we live together and stuff. We could win 120,000. So I just started like taking it more serious, and now it's like all I do is heal. So
now when you started this, like there had to be that learning curve that you had. I mean, and at a young age, I remember when I was young, I was not good at learning curves. When I failed, it was huge. How did you, as a young person, figure out that learning curve and to continue to just get better? Because obviously you're pretty darn good.
I don't know. I still feel like I'm learning. Like this week was huge disappointment, but and then the year before that was a huge disappointment, kind of like the same thing.
Yeah. And
it's like, I guess I just try not to ponder on it. Like I will get back to it next week to work for this coming back next year. So I'm probably not the best at learning curves. I get down on myself too. But my sister helps me a lot, like giving me confidence.
Oh, that's huge.
So I would say I'm definitely still learning. I don't think I'm good at that at all.
Well, you have to be pretty good at it, because, you know, in the moment when things are going wrong or when you have a bad run, what does it take to kind of flip yourself to just be in that moment and do the job?
I think it's just like to have a short-term memory, like in the past, because we didn't do good this week, but we came back and we had a chance for 60,000, and I had to just forget about like the week we had. I was like, it's clean slate. We do have a shot, you know? So I would just, I'm not too sure.
That's so
definitely
epic.
A short memory, because if you like focus on like your misses and stuff, you'll never get out of that hole.
Yeah.
So
now let's go on the positive side of when you have that perfect rope, when you have that perfect run. What does that feel like afterwards, or is it in your mind going, okay, what's next?
I definitely feel good. Like it's like my hard work pays off when it goes great, and it feels great, and you're just proud of yourself and all the work you put in, and that it paid off.
Oh, that's awesome.
So there's a lot of variables in this, and I know that. And so when it does work and you have like a great week or a great run, it just feels amazing because you work so hard for it.
Yeah. And when now being at a young age, the number of variables, do you feel like you're getting on the on the other end of understanding all the variables, or do the challenges just keep coming at you?
Definitely, they keep coming at me.
Because there's no consistency of, you know, what you're going to be roping, where you're going to be roping, the dirt, all that stuff comes into play. When you look at, you do team roping too, right? Mm-hmm. And so that's like, how do you guys? I mean, I can't tell you guys apart, so that's one of the problems. But how do you work together as a team to figure out, you know, what the best approach is, or how do you do that when you practice?
She's good at that. She'll like tell me like in that round we were just going for it because we knew we probably had to be fast or a clean run at least. Yeah. She'll like tell me like, hey, just go catch them, or hey, take your first shot, and I just go off of that. She watches the steers so good, and
wow, that's awesome.
She's the captain of our team.
Well, hey, there has to be people rowing the boat too, right?
Right, yeah, that's all I do.
Well, you're a darn good rower, I have to say. Well, so what does it mean to you to be able to go to AT&T? What does that mean to you personally?
Well, we didn't get into AT&T.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. It would have meant the world, but
But no,
we got next year, but it is disappointing.
But you're looking at it from a perspective of you're young. You're able to go in there and just kill it throughout the year and then get back there. What is your main goal leading forward till next year? I know that's a big question to ask you.
I kind of want to be in the same position we were in this year and capitalize on it and finish what we started. Yeah. So I think I will just work all year and focus on getting better 1% every day. Oh,
I like that. I like that.
We just hopefully come back and finish our job next year. So.
Well, I'm pretty sure you finished your job a lot of your life at 23 years old. You're doing amazing work. It's such an honor to have you on here. Leave some people with some parting wisdom from a good, a good rower on the team on the team roping boat, but also a great individual roper. Give us some wisdom.
Like if you want to do this, you can. We came from the East Coast and we didn't know anyone out here, and like it just lined up for us. We went to college and I just graduated on Friday, and like I'm living my dream that holy cow. Yeah, like I never thought I'd be in this position. Like the people that I'm friends with were like my heroes. Yeah. Oh my so gosh. It's just like I don't know, it's crazy. I look back and I'm like, I never would thought I'd be here. Never. Or be half the roper I am. Not saying I'm nowhere where I want to be, but I never thought I could be good at this. Like I never did. And I just kept working. I love it. Now, what'd you graduate in? Animal science with a minor in business, but I graduated from Tarleton State. Oh my gosh. Well, congratulations. Thanks. On everything. and we'll see you next year. We'll see you at AT&T next year. I know it. I can see it in your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it. Yeah, thanks for having me. All right. We'll talk to you all next time. Thank you.